You've probably been quoted a bookkeeping price before, and it probably felt like a number pulled out of thin air. I'm Amber Malone, founder of Amber's Accounting and Bookkeeping. We work with service-based business owners every day who come to us after getting a quote that either surprised them or made no sense. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what drives your price and why your price will look different from another business's price. No more guessing and no more wondering if the number is fair or how we got there. Here are the 10 factors that drive your monthly price. We start with transaction volume. How many transactions move through your business and your books each month? That changes the amount of time required to review it all, categorize it, and reconcile everything. 75 transactions look a lot different than 350 transactions each month. They're really different workloads. Number of accounts. Every bank, credit card, loan, and line of credit is its own reconciliation. More accounts mean work and more opportunities for errors. How money moves. Heavy credit card use, payment apps, and written checks by hand each create their own trail to follow and causes more work. The more complex the movement, the more time it takes to organize everything correctly. Payment platforms. If you use Stripe, PayPal, or Square, or similar platforms, each one carries its own reporting, timing differences, and fees that need to be matched and recorded inside of your books. Every platform adds to the scope. How about revenue? Revenue does not set your price, but it usually reflects how active and how complex your business is. A higher revenue business tends to carry more moving parts and more complexity. And accounts receivable. If we help track invoices, apply payments, and flag overdue balances, that work expands the scope. Accounts payable. If we help manage bills, pay your bills, track due dates, and support your payment workflow, that expands the scope further. Payroll complexity. Whether you use QuickBooks Payroll or an outside provider, whether contractors are involved or the setup is clean or manual, all affect how much time payroll requires to flow correctly in and through your financials. Job location, class tracking, job tracking. If you want profitability broken down by job, department, or location, we build and maintain that structure every single month. More detailed reporting requires more detailed bookkeeping. Advisory. If you want ongoing guidance around your numbers every month and regular reviews and helping make decisions around your financials and from your financials, that level of involvement is part of your scope too. Every one of these factors is knowable before we quote you and modifiable. That's why it's custom priced. That is the whole point of the review. You may be wondering what professional bookkeeping costs, and that is a completely fair question. But here's the question I want you to sit with first. What has unclear financials already cost your business this year? Time is one cost. Every hour you spend trying to make sense of reports that don't add up is time you're not spending on your business. Tax exposure is another one. Wrong categorizations show up on your return. Missed deductions are real money, and decisions made without accurate data carry their own cost as well. A pricing decision, a hiring decision, moving to a bigger space, a rental decision, cash flow on numbers that are not right. Those costs are quiet, but they're not small. Now you know the 10 factors. When you understand what drives the number makes sense. If you found this video on your own and you're just getting to know us, welcome. Good next step is to head over to our pricing page on our website, and you can see exactly how we structure our services, what's involved in our monthly pricing, and what the engagement would look like. If it feels like a good fit, you can book a free discovery call right there on our contact page. Or if myself or someone on our team sent you this video for you to watch, you're in the right place. Thank you for watching it and taking the time to understand what drives your price. We'll see you next on your Zoom meeting.